Hi, I'm Hassan from Cool Kids Creative Lab. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you 2 ways to replace the sky in Adobe Premiere. Please watch till the end and I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you like, subscribe and share with your friends. For this tutorial we need 2 clips. We'll drag and drop the 2 clips to the project panel. As you see, we have one sky clip and the other one is the mountain clip. So we'll drag the sky clip to the timeline. Make sure it should be on the first layer, and we'll drag and drop the second clip, which is the mountain. We'll drag and drop it on the top of the sky layer. We'll shorten the video. The next step is go to the effect panel and search for key. Then we drag and drop the color key to the main clip, which is the second layer. Then we go to effect control and then we go to key color. We'll choose the eyedropper and we'll click on the sky. And then we'll change the tolerance until all the sky removes and we see the replacement sky. I think here is good and enough. We can play with edge feather and edge thin, so to get the best result. I think this is already perfect. We put the edge thin and the edge feather both to 1 to make it more realistic. Then we go to colors, geometric color, and click on the mountain and we'll change the color and we'll change the temperature here to make it more realistic. We play with exposure and contrast a little bit. I think it's enough now, it's good for me. And you can play more with it so you can get the best result. This is one way to do it. The other way to do it is for the stable clips. We'll drag and drop the clip to the timeline. Make sure it's on the second layer. Then we'll bring the sky again to the timeline and drag and drop it. We'll shorten the clip. Then we go to the effect panel. Click on the main clip, then we go to the opacity and click on the pen tool, and then we mask out the sky. Then we click on inverted. We put on the feet here. So here we already have the result. Even though you can play with the feather or mask expansion to get the best result. And again, you can go to the color metrics and play with the colors like temperature to get the best result. I think it's fine now. And the other method for this, which is like the clip is not stable, we have a different method. It's a little bit harder. So we'll bring another clip which is like moving, camera moving. We put on the second layer. We scale it out. So for this method we'll do the same thing. Mask out the sky. We'll go to the effect control, then we choose the pen tool, then we'll mask out the sky. So after masking out, we click on invert we'll put the sky clip under the main clip. We'll shorten the clip. As you see, the mask is not good. Some parts are falling out of the mask, so we need to track it. We go here on the mask, we click on track selected mask forward, but before that click here, then make sure the preview is on, and then click on mask forward, and let's see the progress, how it will go. Once you see the mask is falling out, so you need to stop, then do it manually. I think some parts are falling apart, so we'll do it manually. We'll just stop and let's see from where we can do it. I think from here it's good. All the rest we'll remove it. Zoom in, yeah. All the rest we'll remove it. Then we'll do it manually. Just zoom in to see better. To see, as you see, this area it's like falling out of the mask. So we need to do it. We need to track it manually. So we'll fix them then. Click on this button. We'll do it one by one to get the best result. So we are done with the masking and tracking. So let's play the clip. As you see, we have perfect masking, and to get the best result, like you can play with feather and mask expansion. I think that's perfect. Let's see now, we got very good result. And then we can color grade it to match the color. We go to volumetric color, then let's select the mounting clip and put the temperature towards blue, add little exposure and contrast, and play with highlight and shadows and stuff. And this is it. I hope you guys learned something new. We learned like 3 different ways to change the sky in Adobe Premiere. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you enjoyed it, please make sure you like and subscribe and share with your friends. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.